Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I do my press-on nails, so let's get right into it. So I saw this from Amazon. This is by the brand BT Art Box Nails and they have the French series. I fell in love. I needed to try them. They have square, they have almond shape, and then they have other shapes as well, different colors, different sizes. But anyways, it claims to be 28 days of longevity within 10 minutes. So let's go through what we get in this box. So this is the gel glue, which also comes with instructions. These are the French tip protecting duos. So the builder gel and then the top coats, and then you also get a UV LED nail lamp. I'm not sure if everything that I received in my box comes in a set. I did receive this for free, but I am not getting paid to talk about this. I just wanted to genuinely try them out. So these are the instructions. So you prep your nails, you apply your dehydrator, which my box did not come with it, and then you match the nail tips to your size, apply the glue, and then you cure it. Apply your nail glue on top, and then we're going to cure it, but we're going to go through all that. So this is the set of nails. Here all I'm doing is measuring. You always want to make sure that if it's sidewall to sidewall, you don't want to be able to see your natural nail. So if you need a size up, definitely size up, and then you can always trim it. I'm also making sure that it fits my other hand, because sometimes, I don't know, y'all, hands are weird. Sometimes one size can be different. I loved how easy these were to size, and the fact that you get the nail in the front. I don't know, I felt like sizing just went super easy and smooth and quick, and I really liked it. By the way, these definitely feel like a very soft gel. Here, I just wanted to point out that this nail in particular is a little bit wider, but you will see me fixing it. And then for my pinky, I just went with something that was going to cover from sidewall to sidewall. So I have already prepped my nails. I took off the nails that I had before, so my nails are ready to go. I made sure that I cleaned my hands and got my nails ready. So we're going to start off with the gel glue. It doesn't say that this is the first step, but in the instructions it says that they do suggest for you to apply the gel glue all over your nails. And it even says that curing is not required, which I thought was kind of weird. I went ahead and cured my nails because otherwise I felt like the nails were going to be slipping and sliding. So yeah, I cured mine for about 30 seconds, and I ended up switching to my bigger little light because this took me forever. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the first step. So first step number one is to use the gel glue. I love that these don't have to be shaved from the inside, or you don't have to like make them like gritty in order for you to get a longer wear to your press-ons. If you are a press-on girly, you know what I'm talking about. The only thing that I struggled with is knowing how much glue to apply. I guess it's really more of a learning curve. And here all I'm doing is pressing down at a 45-degree angle. That's what the instructions said to do, and that is exactly what I did. It was so satisfying to see the glue go all the way down, and we're just going to repeat the same process to each nail. Again, it takes some time to learn how much glue to apply. You don't want to overfill it, but then you don't want to put so little that the nails won't adhere. The second hand, I definitely was a little bit better. And then here, this is the middle finger. I almost did a little sketch, and then I sized it to my nail because I naturally have wide nails and these are wide on their own, but this one was just a little too wide. Here you can see a little bit of excess glue coming out, which is really annoying. It's not that big of a deal. You can drill it down, but it was so close to my cuticle that drilling down the glue was almost impossible. This one went on a little bit more smoothly, but even then I still got a little bit of leftover glue. So less is more, but again, just learn how to balance it. So after we apply the pinky nail, we are pretty much done applying the nails. Now, the second step is to take off the little tags at the end of the nails. I'm kind of just shaping them, even though these already come with a gorgeous long squared shape. I just, shape them a little bit more. And here I'm just showing you that I did have some excess glue. I tried my best to remove it. Now the next step is to cure the nails, and it does recommend for you to clean off your nails with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, which is exactly what I did. This is the builder gel. So typically builder gels, you apply them underneath, but I went ahead and applied it on top of all nails. I forgot to film myself, but you want to apply the builder gel all over the nails, cure them, and then we're going to go in with the last step, which is applying the top coat. This is what's going to make the nails super shiny. You also want to make sure that you apply this on the edge of the nail to ensure that they don't chip, crack, or anything. And literally, that is it. They're not sticky at the end. They feel so sturdy and they look so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with these nails, and just like magic, my right hand is done. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm definitely ordering me more sets because these are just way too cute and way too easy. So check the description box if you guys want to shop my Amazon storefront. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.